what would you say your sort of vision is for Web3? You know, like what do you think Web3 might look
Yeah,
like in 5 or 10 years, and how will all of our experiences of the digital world be changed by it?
great question. Yeah, so I think at this point in time, a lot of the news and whatnot you hear is very technical. I think like maybe three, or, well, maybe not three, but like let's say 5 years down the line, I think we'll start seeing way more prominent applications being built on Web3 technology, but not mentioning that they are Web3. So
Hmm.
the biggest ones I kind of foresee are social apps, um, file storage, of course, and just the different ways that enterprises can start utilizing this technology. Because a lot of them at this point are heavy AWS users or Azure users or whatnot, and they don't realize that a lot of the infrastructure that Web3 brings about, whether it's the Bitcoin protocol, Ethereum, Arweave, whoever, all of this is actually public and open source software that is maintained by many, many different people around the globe. So as long as we continue to kind of decentralize this technology, ensure that it's not all hosted on Amazon or whatnot, I think that's when we'll really start to see the adoption of this technology more broadly. I mean, you see it right now where a lot of firms like Starbucks and Nike, they're dabbling their toes in it, experimenting. But my vision for Web3 is to get to a point where you think of it just like like you see a company in the same kind of limelight you see in them now, where you see an awesome experience that you want to get into, but you don't really want to deal with creating a wallet or keeping track of your private keys and whatnot. You
Hmm.
want you want that experience to kind of be melded into the the app or experience you're going with there. So TLDR, as soon as the
Hmm.
user experience kind of kind of fixes itself, or we get to a point where the user doesn't understand they're using Web3, I think is kind of where we'll see this next wave of digital
Mass
innovation.
onboarding. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Yeah.